Here is another example of how a question can be set requiring you to convert from percentage to a fraction. In this case, we are having 23 whole number 3/4% being converted to a fraction. To do this, we first make this an improper fraction. And to do that, let's write this down. Solution. We then have 4 multiplied by 23 plus 3/4. And this is in percentage. Now, what is 4 multiplied by 23? 4 times 3 is 12, that's 2, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, that is 9. So we have 92 plus 3/4, still in percent. Now 92 plus 3 will give us 95. So we have 95/4%. Now let's convert this to a fraction. To convert this to a fraction, we write down 95/4 and then we multiply by 1/100. You can go on to break this down first so that you don't have to deal with large numbers in the end, or you just multiply straight. So 95 times 1 will give us 95, and then 4 times 100 will give us 400. Now we have the fraction. What we have to do next is to bring this to its simplest form. To do that, we divide by 5, and this would give us 5 and 9, that's 1, remainder 4. In 45, that is also 9. So we have 19 over 5 in 40, that's 8, and then 0. 19/80. Therefore, we conclude to say 23 whole number 3/4% equals 19/80. Thank you.